Hey you guys, welcome back. I am back, you guys. I'm glad to be back. And as you can tell by the title, you guys, this video is going to be about masturbation. And I am so excited for this topic, you guys. I love talking about this topic. Quite a few of us do it, you guys, but some of us are not as familiar with masturbation. And I'm going to give you guys my own definition of masturbation. Okay, you guys, masturbation is a form of self-pleasing that helps you reach your sexual peak, known as a solo act, but not limited to, and can be done with an object, hand, or finger, you guys. It's perfectly normal. It's fine. Don't let anybody tell you that it's not, you guys. It's fun. It's enjoyable. And last but not least, you guys, it's pleasurable. And that's our ultimate goal at the end of it is to come, right? When you're masturbating, you're exploring yourself. You're getting to know your body. So that you find out what kind of touches you like, what type of stimulations you like, what touches you don't like, what stimulations you do not like. I always tell my female this. If you do not know your body, how are you going to tell your partner how to please you? How? I'm going to wait, y'all. You can. There's no way you're going to tell your partner how to please you if you don't know how to please yourself. So you guys get to know, well, ladies, get to know your vulva. And it can help you when you're having sex with your partner. It can kill a lot of times. For example, say if you're receiving oral sex and your man goes down there and he's eating you and 5 minutes has gone by, you keep moving his head. No, this position. No, that position. No, this position. When out alone, if you know your vulva and you know how to please yourself, you guys can go in the bedroom and you can automatically tell your man what spot to hit and kill the time, and you will have a very likely chance at coming. So, experiment. Get to know yourself. You got different types of stimulation. You have anal, you have clitoral, you have vaginal. You guys, it's different types of ways to masturbate. You don't have to do just the usual up and down. There's plenty of ways. You have the usual up and down, side to side, long, slow strokes. It's different ways. And I recommend you guys switch it up. You don't want to do your same old routine or your same normal routine because you get stuck in that funk. And when you do want to switch it up, it could be impossible or hard for you to come. So that's why I say you want to switch up your routine when coming. So yeah, you can try different speeds, the amount of pressure you use. You can try some lube. How many fingers, whether it's 1 finger, 2 finger, 4 finger. And you can also switch between indirect and direct. So you guys, there's many different ways to masturbate. I highly recommend for my ladies, you explore yourself. Go ahead, you guys. And when you masturbate, I also recommend that you set the mood. So make sure you're alone so you can enjoy it. So you don't have to rush. Or if you're not alone, just make sure, everybody's downstairs or gone in another area. You lock the door and you do your thing. But also, I highly recommend that you are alone. You don't have to be, but be alone. You can try the bathtub. You can cut off the lights. You can light some candles. If you're in the room, you can get under the covers, play some music. Get into the mood that helps you relax. You want to relax. Some of us like watching porn. Some of us can visualize it. But just set the mood so you can feel comfortable with yourself when masturbating. That's why I say recommend you're by yourself so you can explore as much as you want. Get to know what you do not like. And also, ladies, don't be afraid to use toys. I would recommend you use some toys that is designed for clitoris stimulation if you like clitoris stimulation. Or you could try different dildos. You could try anal beads. It all depends on what you like. But toys you can use. But make sure after you use your toy, you guys, clean your toy before and after with toy cleaning products. So you won't get any built up bacteria on your toy or have any kind of infection in your vagina. So yes, you guys, masturbate. It's perfectly fine. It's normal. It's fun. And like I said, my ladies, I highly recommend you masturbate. Like I said in all my videos, you guys, I'm going to keep it short. I don't want to go too in-depth in. If you have any questions, you can hit me up on Instagram in the DMs. You guys, I'm going to put my Instagram right here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.